Question: what if quantum computers solved all puzzles? Imagine this. You're staring at a crossword, sweating over a 7 letter word for confusing situation. Suddenly, bam, a quantum computer solves it in less than a millisecond. Not just that puzzle, but every puzzle ever created. Sudoku, done. Rubik's Cube, solved. Crossword, jigsaw, riddles, even that impossible 5,000 piece picture of a snowy mountain, instantly complete. So, what if quantum computers could solve all puzzles? First, let's set the scene. Quantum computers are not your normal laptops. They use something called qubits, which can be both 0 and 1 at the same time. Don't worry, we won't dive into quantum physics here. Just imagine you're at a buffet and instead of picking one dish, you magically taste every single dish at once. That's basically what a quantum computer does with possibilities. It tries all the answers at the same time and collapses down to the right one. Now, think about puzzles. A puzzle is basically a giant search problem. You're looking for the right arrangement of numbers, words, or pieces. A regular computer has to check each option one by one. Quantum computer can check millions of options in parallel, which means your Sudoku app would go from hard mode to blink and it's over. But what happens if puzzles stop being puzzles? Let's start small. Crosswords? Gone. The morning newspaper loses half its charm. Chess problems? Meaningless. The computer instantly finds the checkmate. Rubik's Cube records. Forget about speed cubing championships. The cube would be solved before you even finish scrambling it. In fact, speed cubing might become a spectator sport of scrambling, not solving. The only competition left would be who can mess up the cube in the most creative way. Now, take it bigger. Many things in life are puzzles. Logistics, puzzle. Weather prediction, puzzle. Your Netflix recommendation system, that's basically one giant puzzle of what should you watch next. If quantum computers solved all puzzles, we might see the end of traffic jams because the computer would instantly arrange the best routes for millions of cars, shipping packages across the globe, done in the most efficient way possible. Medicine? It could solve the puzzle of which molecules fit together to cure diseases. And here's where it gets wild. Economics and politics are also puzzles. Allocating resources, predicting markets, balancing budgets, all puzzles. Quantum computer could crunch those numbers instantly. Imagine a government that knows exactly how to prevent a recession or at least tries to. But let's not get too dreamy. There's a darker twist. If every puzzle is instantly solvable, then games stop being fun. Imagine playing poker, where the computer already knows everyone's cards, or trying a riddle when the answer is instantly spoiled. Humans like puzzles because they're hard. They challenge our brains, give us that aha moment when we figure it out. If quantum computers took that away, our entertainment might feel empty. No more thrill of solving a mystery novel because the ending is already known. Sherlock Holmes becomes just Holmes reading a printout. Here's the big reveal. If quantum computers solved all puzzles, the world would split into two groups. One group would use them for serious stuff, curing diseases, fixing climate change, making life smoother. The other group would spend their time inventing new puzzles, puzzles that even a quantum computer can't handle. Maybe puzzles that involve creativity, imagination, or pure randomness. Because no matter how powerful computers get, humans will always want the joy of solving something ourselves. So, what's the takeaway? Quantum computers might one day make Sudoku look like tic tac toe, and they might even reshape science and society. But the one puzzle they'll never fully solve is why humans love puzzles in the first place. And that's a mystery I'm okay with leaving unsolved. If you enjoyed this little thought experiment, hit the like button, drop a comment with your favorite puzzle, and don't forget to subscribe for more weird what if science adventures. Who knows, next time we might ask, what if the sun took a day off?